I was not expecting to make this video this soon. But good morning, evening, or day to any of you guys that are out there, and to all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for checking my videos out. I really appreciate you guys. So as you guys can see by the title, you already know what the video is about to consist of. I'm actually looking at the new car right now, but unfortunately this is my last day I'm going to have with my Jeep. So I'm going to go get it. So the Jeep's not here. I'm not going to show you guys what I'm driving right now, of course. But the Jeep is not here. The stock rims are over in the corner, and I have my Chick-fil-A cup. But I'm going to go and get the Jeep now, get my wheels off of it. We're going to put the stock rims back on there, so we don't have a lot of time because I would like to be back home at a certain time. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so it's been about 30-45 minutes since I picked up the camera. I made a few calls and a stop or two. I'm gonna show you what the new car is for the channel towards the end of this video. But what I did was I made a few calls to a tuning company that I ran across. I went to the dealer. I almost gave it away there. What this car is. I went to the dealer and I asked them what would be the best things to do to this, because I've been online looking up different things that you can do to this to make it quicker, and the channel's about to get very interesting. Yeah. So I don't want to say too much, but it's gonna be fun. Okay, you guys, so I just got back to the dealership that has my Jeep, well, what was my Jeep, and I don't know exactly where it is. Yesterday it was in the back, but I guess we'll have to figure it out. But when I find it, y'all already know I'm gonna show it to you. I'm still looking for it. I still don't see it because it was back there, but it's not back there anymore. So we'll just have to go in the inside, get the keys, and go from there. And there she is. So we're gonna take this and get the wheels off of it really quick, and we're gonna come back and get my new car. You guys probably cannot see it, but that is not an M5. He has an M5 badge on the back of his BMW. It is not an M5. It's not. Okay, you guys, so first and foremost, your boy thought he was not gonna make it, but we did, and the Jeep is being bagged up into its parking spot right now, and we are about to head home. But I am walking to my car, and I do see it. I cannot wait to show you guys what it is when we get into the driveway. So I'm gonna talk to y'all just a little bit before I actually get home. And once again, it's back there. So for anybody wondering about the 2018, well, mine was 2018 Jeep Compass, if you have been debating on getting one, I strongly advise you to get one if it's something that you think you might be interested in. Oh, it is beautiful. I loved my Jeep, but it was just time for me to get out of it and get in something else. So I'm right here by my car, and I'm finna jump in, and I will show you guys what it is when I get home. So I just got back on my side of town, and I filled it up. Now before I show you guys what you've all been waiting for, few things about this car. I don't think I have ever mentioned this car to you guys on the channel before. It is a car I've always liked, and I did not see myself getting this quick. It was something that I kind of wanted to get on down the road, but I like it because I know I can do a lot with it. So are you guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I got a Audi A5. So I did not plan on getting this really soon. So it really just happened, like it just happened. So I was driving out where I knew they were to the Audi dealer, and I saw a few of them, and I really just test drove them, and this is the one that I came home with. So the Jeep is gone, and this is the new car of the channel. So I hope you guys like it, because I certainly Love it. It is pretty quick. Look, I'm gonna tell you how quick it is. I already had the set and the inside of it and the settings and everything, which is so many settings in there. Excuse me, it's like some mosquitoes flying around me. But it's so many settings in the inside. I had actually went inside on the settings and turned it where it warns me if I'm going past 80 or 85 on the highway, because it does not feel like it is going that fast. So for my Jeep, when I had it 70 miles an hour, I would know what 70 would feel like, and I would have to look. So when I was driving this, I drove what felt like 70 to me, and it was like well past triple digits. So another thing about this, I told you guys earlier, I've already been in contact with a company that is going to do some tuning on it and make it be way quicker. So we got a few stages, but I have a lot planned for this car. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm about to get home because I have to get up in the morning. Be on the lookout for another video. I think the next one should come out by the time you guys see this one. The next one will probably come out early next week. So I hope you guys like this. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and make sure you follow me down below. Everything's down in the description box, my social media, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.